Hey, what's up? In the last video, we learned how to stab quarter notes and eighth notes. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off. We're still going to be playing quarter note and eighth note rhythms, but this time we're going to step things up by adding the baby scratch. Let's count off and get started. The tempo is at 86 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play that rhythm one more time, but this time I'm going to walk you through it first. We are going to stab beat 1, close the fader, baby scratch, 2 and. Stab beat 3, close the fader, then baby scratch, 4 and. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 2 measures. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the next rhythm. We're going to walk through it before we play it. This time, we are going to baby scratch, 1 and. Stab beat 2. Baby scratch, 3 and. Then stab beat 4. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 4 measures. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's dive into our third and final rhythm. But before we start, let's break it down so you can have an idea as to how the example is to be played. We are going to stab beat 1, baby scratch, 2 and. Stab beat 3, baby scratch, 4 and. In the second measure, baby scratch, 1 and. Stab beat 2, baby scratch, 3 and. Then stab beat 4. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We hope that you enjoyed this lesson. As always, make sure to practice this lesson several times with both hands because repetition is our friend. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for checking us out. See you soon. Peace.